Hi everyone, we're into September now, and these cucumbers I think have more or less finished. So I'm going to take them out. The sun has really scorched the leaves, the heat was too much for them, and now it's time to go. But saying that, I have had a good harvest from them, so I can't complain. So I'm just going to take these out now. Right, I'm just going to move this tub across a little bit so I can get this one out. We've been having quite a lot of wind, so that hasn't helped everything. And it's been really warm wind, so of course it's dried everything out. But I'm just gonna, well, this was a good idea. Right, just gonna take those out. And I've actually found a cucumber there, which is hiding behind the pot. So I'm just going to cut that one off. Probably the last one to harvest this time round. So I'm just going to take all those sticks out, and these stones that have been anchoring it down. And my scissors. It's not the ideal setup, having to keep lifting them in and out of the greenhouse, but because I haven't got that much space for cucumbers, it's worked quite well. So I'm just going to take those off of there. Now, there are a few little cucumbers there, but I don't think they're going to do anything now. So I'll just cut those off, and all that can go into the recycling bin. Now, these cucumbers on the side of the greenhouse got some dead leaves, but we have also got some flowers and little baby cucumbers coming. Another one, oh, hiding behind there. So what I'm going to do is just tidy these ones up, take all these dead leaves off, and I'll leave those for now. Right, I'm just going to tidy these up. I'm not expecting to get a lot more cucumbers off them now, but just let them sit at their time. Right there, that's better. Right, I'm just leaving some of these on because there's little cucumbers coming. A few more flowers. So just let them see out their time. Now also in here, which has been hidden by the cucumber plants, my peppers. Now I've got a few ready to pick here. Nice red one there. Yellow one up there. This is probably the best year for peppers that I've had. I think they've liked the hot weather. So I'm going to pick those now. There we are. Got 3 lovely peppers there. They're really big. And so it's the best year for peppers so far that I've had. Just tidy up some of these leaves now that I can see where I'm going with all this, because they're not behind the cucumbers anymore. So I'll just leave the others to finish ripening. So I'm just going to have a bit of a tidy up, get all these leaves out of the way. I'll say bye for now, and I'll see you next time.